This is how
Too
I
pretty.
always imagined myself.
I love it.
Get ready for takeoff.
Okay, hi guys, this is Avantika and welcome to Behind the Big Day, a series where we ask our followers to share their stories with us and trust the process and be ready to have fun.
We'll help you find your dream outfit, get you the right hair and makeup, and also help you with the perfect jewelry. Out of which we pick some incredible brides to be.
I know Shristi is not here with us today and you guys must be wondering where she is. Actually, she's fallen sick, but I have a very, very important and very special guest with us here today, and that is our bride, Mausam.
Hi guys, I'm Mausam and I'm the bride. I'm very excited to see what Avantika has on board for me today.
So, Mausam, we are also super excited to have you, and I know about your love story, but it's time to tell the audience a little bit about it. So, why don't you tell me how you and Parth met?
So we actually met at a common party, and the minute I saw him, I was so attracted to him. He was wearing a black blazer and it was looking so good on him. So I was,
I love that.
yeah, it was a magical moment the minute I said hi to him, and yeah, there was some connection.
And
that
then
I
after
felt.
that, you all kept meeting. Who made the first move between you and Parth?
I think I did. I did make the
You
first
did?
move.
Wow,
Yes.
I love
Yes.
that. I love a girl who can make the first move, guys.
He's the shy one, and
Yeah,
I'm
the outgoing.
yeah, I'm the
extroverted.
outgoing one. So I made the first move. I called him to my university. I told him let's go on a date together. So we had our first hot chocolate, and it was a pretty lovely moment.
Yeah, and then from the first date, both of you all knew that this is it.
Yes, we did.
I love that.
Yeah, we actually met the first day, and then he had to fly back. But after we spoke about everything.
How
So
long was this date?
My date was actually half a day long.
Half a day. That's when you kind of like know that this person is the person for you. Okay, Mausam, tell us, where are you getting married and what are you exactly looking for in your outfit?
I'm actually getting married in Lonavala, and I want to go for a mix of traditional and a modern look for my
Okay.
outfit. I'm looking for a non-red one, and I really love the color pink, as you can already see.
Okay.
So,
So pink is what you're looking
Yeah,
for.
this is something that-
not red. So we're going to head to the Kalki store and they have an amazing variety of all kinds of outfits. So let's go there. I think your family is also waiting for us
yeah, I
there,
think
right?
my family is already there. Let's
Okay,
go
cool.
find out.
Let's go. About
I like the fish card. I think it's very nice.
Oh, hi, you guys are already here. Okay, join us. We're helping Mausam shortlist her favorite outfits.
This is nice.
Very pretty, na?
but Very pretty. But white color she has already for her Sangeet.
Oh, okay, you all have finalized a
Yeah.
white outfit. So even this color will be very similar then. All
Yeah,
of these
it will be
colors
light.
will be super similar. Okay guys, we just found out that Mausam is wearing white for her Sangeet. That's why we're going to find like a brighter color, a little bit more traditional outfit for her. And this section at the Kalki store has some beautiful outfits. So I really like rust and I feel like rust will suit your skin tone.
Yes.
It's
What do you
in
think?
also, right?
Yeah, it's in. It's very in.
Yeah.
Like Alia Bhatt in that Rocky Rani, if you'll have seen.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
It
Good
was
Mai Mein she had
Yeah.
worn that
She was
beautiful.
looking so beautiful.
So I think this is a little similar color to that. One of these. What do you think? Should we try this?
I think I really like this one.
Yeah, no?
I
I
think
think
I
the
will do.
sleeve, the blouse is very pretty.
Yeah, I like this one. I think
है
I
ना?
should try this one.
Yeah.
आंटी क्या लग रहा है?
अच्छा लग रहा है, बहुत प्यारा है.
ठीक है, तो एक ही हम लोग ऑप्शन रखेंगे.
I want to go for either rust or pink or something.
You don't want to be a typical.
Yeah, not the typical one, but also have like a traditional but a little modern twist to it.
I think then this section is perfect. Not red, but it's like a deep maroon.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's looking very, very pretty.
It's very
I like
pretty.
The
The blouses
Yeah.
are just so nice. Like they're so stunning.
Very beautiful.
I think we should definitely try this. And especially tassel detailing is there is also like so pretty. So let's try this one. And third one, I'm gonna let you pick.
This one really caught my eye the first time I saw it.
This is so pretty.
Yeah, the color is also nice.
It's
something
so
different.
nice.
I love the tassels here. I really love it.
Yeah,
So
this is
nice.
the one I've been seeing also on social media. This is a part of one of their new launches. इसमें ना jewelry also ना you can play around with it a lot. You can do probably emeralds, you can do polki, you can do like even rubies. क्योंकि इसमें इतने colors are there. Guys, I think we found 3 solid options, and even if those don't work, the Kalki store has so many options that we're definitely going to find something or the other here today. So let's try the 3 outfits. Hey, come. What do you all think? कैसा लग रहा है?
I'm loving it.
मस्त है यार.
So good. And I really like
My
this color
God.
on me.
पार
Putting
से?
off orange यार.
Yeah.
Amazing. This is Alia Bhatt वाला ना?
Yeah, she wore a similar
Rocky Rani
color.
वाला.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
सही है यार. It's looking great.
So what do you think? Is this a good option? या फिर you wanna like?
I think I really like it, firstly, but I would like to try the
Other ones more?
other ones more.
Yeah.
I would like to try the pink one as well.
You've been inclined towards the
I
pink
think-
one.
Yeah, since the beginning.
But this is great यार.
है ना? It's so nice. Wait, there's a veil also. Bridal feeling comes only with the veil. Yes, thank you. Just hold it, huh? Awesome.
Yeah.
बहू लग रही हो.
I think that maybe the pink one will also look very good on you because you came in with pink, so I knew that you love
Yes,
pink
that's
as
true.
a color. So we'll try on the pink,
Yes.
huh?
Yes.
Okay, out of 10, let's rate this. Everybody give a rating.
Yeah, I'm biased. 10. I'm
10?
marrying her.
So her outfit में you can't say 10, huh, Parth? You have to like सोच समझ के say something.
End में पूछो ना.
फिर आप भूल जाएंगे कि पहला वाला कैसा
But no,
था.
this is
हाँ.
I will give 8.5.
8.5.
Yes.
और auntie?
8 and a half.
8.5. Okay, fine. Nice.
fine. That's a high bar.
Okay, that's a high one. So you started with
9.
a great outfit. But there are 2 more outfits left. So chalo, we'll just get
Let's
changed. Come.
Yes.
Okay, जब तक Mausam is trying the second outfit, I want to ask you all something. So when Mausam told her about Parth that we've started dating, जो भी है, what was your first reaction?
Actually, she didn't say anything. I came to know
Oh,
कि something is
Happening.
fishy about something. Always she talks too much about Parth and too much about his family. मेरी कोई फ्रेंड है तो ठीक है इतना कि बैकग्राउंड के थोड़ी मालूम होता है तो दैट वे वी जज कि हो ना हो कोई है तो
कोई तो है.
Me instinct.
So then you asked her, आपने पूछा कि like Mausam.
स्टिल शी सेड कि नहीं ही इज जस्ट अ फ्रेंड तो मैंने संजय को बोला नहीं फ्रेंड नहीं है ये समथिंग मोर देन अ फ्रेंड है
Because she was knowing very in detail everything about Khetarpals.
Yeah.
मम्मी को ये पसंद है, पापा को ये पसंद है. So वो एक बबीता को नहीं इतना सब डिटेल कैसे पता है इसको?
मैंने दूसरे फ्रेंड्स के पेरेंट्स के भाई
कोई
है,
interest
बहन,
नहीं है।
कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है इसके बारे में सब मालूम है मतलब व्हाट
Yeah.
और एक बार कुछ उसको मंगवाना था टू यूएस फ्रॉम इंडिया तो हम बोले कैसे पार्थ लेकर आएगा ना दैट टाइम पार्थ वाज हियर इन
So that was a confirmation.
दैट वाज अ काइंड ऑफ
Yeah.
They came
confirmation
and
you
checked
can
me
say
out. They're like,
Oh, yeah?
So the thing was, they had sent whatever they had to send, and I was very nervous to go and pick it up. So
Yeah.
I had told Mausam कि यार उनसे भिजवा देना,
हाँ.
like घर पे, मामा
Yeah,
के घर
yeah.
पे, and I was staying there, and my flight is at night, so I'll pick it up. So they dropped it off very kindly, and I didn't come and open the door. Like बाहर से I think they had sent the driver, but
Yeah.
then late at night when my flight was there, they specially came to the airport and gave me like काजू कतली.
Oh.
They're like ये मौसम के लिए और ये आपके लिए. I'm like, and I
आपके
was
लिए why for
nervous.
me?
And you know, it's like I hadn't told my mom, so
Yeah.
my mom was crying there because I was leaving.
Yeah.
And they came and they gave, and I'm nervous here that she's crying. I'm nervous there that some parents
Yeah.
have come. And मैंने बोला था कि मौसम को काजू कतली इतनी तो पसंद नहीं है कि you know like night 1 o'clock they're coming and giving काजू
This was
कतली.
your like मुंह मीठा करना आपकी तरफ से in a way.
No, it was like just
Actually, you were
check
sending. Oh, check
Coming
him
to
out.
check him out. Like who is this guy? And
Out
this
of
is like-
many things to be sent to US, one item we, you know,
purposely didn't send
purposely
कि we because he was saying कि मामा के घर पे ड्रॉप कर दो और हमको लड़का देखना है.
Wow, auntie, uncle, आप लोग कमाल हो. I love that. इस look पे I put some jewelry so that ज़्यादा feel आए bridal feel. So, come bridey.
wow,
लाडो मेरी लाडो.
beautiful, yeah, beautiful.
Super. It's so good.
Parthis Dudley is not saying anything.
I mean,
Are you loving this?
yeah, man. The color is so cool. It's such a different color, na?
Is it perfect red or
No, this is like a maroon. It's like a darker red. Mausam ने बोला कि like she does not want to be like plain normal red bride, so something different for her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
You're right. The jewelry
This is a very very traditional type of.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct. This color ka veil. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
This is like contrasting colors.
contrast?
Yeah. I love it.
I love it too.
I love it. It's so unique, this outfit. It's just very, very, very pretty. क्या लग रहा है?
बहुत अच्छा.
I really like it.
प्यारा
हाँ?
लगा.
Combination बहुत अच्छा लगा वो उसका.
Yeah, different है थोड़ा
Different
सा.
है.
It's
Yeah.
so different. Yeah, it's very unique.
So rate it, Parth.
10,
10?
10?
9.5.
9.5. Wow.
That's a good one.
Uncle?
I will rate it better than the first one, 9.
Oh, better than the first one.
Yes.
Okay.
My thing is first one was better because it's more very traditional.
This is very traditional.
Yeah.
You want a modern look.
थोड़ा वो उसमें जैसे दोनों look.
I
I
agree.
mean, yeah, you stay in New York and you're an Indian girl, so that modern thing will work very well.
Yes.
ठीक है,
So mix of contemporary as well as.
yeah, mix of contemporary and modern. This is very, very traditional. I agree, and even the jewelry and stuff is. 1 second. Is making it quite like traditional, but it's very
it is
pretty.
It is pretty.
Very pretty, and the
Extremely
blouse I absolutely love. You know this in-cut
Yeah.
blouse and the latkans, everything. ठीक है, then we love this. We love the first one also, but uncle said that ये पहले वाले से ज़्यादा है
Oh yes.
and auntie said that पहला वाला is better.
Bet.
So now there's one more option, which is I think Mausam's favorite option.
Yes.
And I think mine also a little bit. So we'll try that on, and then hopefully we have an answer.
Perfect.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes.
ठीक है, चलो.
Excited?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, guys, all are going to love this.
Okay. Let's see.
Come.
Oh my God.
This is
Superb.
Super.
very.
Look,
How's it looking?
I'm loving
looking
it.
like a princess.
It's too nice. This is her color, and it's
She's
just
glowing in this,
beautiful.
actually.
Parth has not said anything.
He's speechless.
I love it.
You love it?
I love it. Love it.
See how she's
damn.
glowing also. It's too nice. You know the sparkles on this outfit on Nina, like do say you'll see it like just sparkling, and the jewelry also, if you see, is going so well
Yeah,
with
very
the
pretty.
outfit. And my favorite part about this outfit is, Parth, you had said you like the veil to be matching, but this is not exactly matching. But it looks very pretty.
Oh wow.
Wow.
Very nice.
It looks very pretty. Like it gives that very soft,
Too good.
angelic. You look like an angel.
Ah,
Yeah. है ना?
elegant. Yes, elegant.
Chalo, so what is our rating?
I have decided.
I think it's this one.
It's this?
I think it's this one.
Okay, amazing. Uncle, auntie?
Yes, 10 on 10.
10 on
10 on 10.
It's too pretty. Oh my god, we have our outfit.
Very nice. Super.
Finally, finally.
Yes, I think this is it too. एक चीज है जो मुझे लग रही है कि इसमें ना हम थोड़ा सा ज्यादा कैन लगा सकते हैं so that the like it's a little more wide.
The design becomes
हाँ, the
more-
design becomes more. To this I will inform the team. If we are going, we are going ahead with this,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Yes,
I
yes,
think
Great.
Yes.
So I'm going to tell them to just make this a little, the can a little more. So when you're walking down, it's a little easier for you to walk
Yeah,
also.
yep.
And yeah, I think
But
everything
the more
is
of
perfect.
would it be very comfortable for her because this would be her wedding outfit?
Yes,
so she has to
Uncle,
sit
that's a
on-
very good question. But if we don't put it now, because this is very heavy, if you come and see this lehenga,
Yes.
it keeps falling flat then.
Oh.
So you need that length.
Yeah.
And अच्छी बात है ये है कि फेराज है तो most of the time उसको बैठना ही है. It's
बैठना
not
है.
like
Okay,
she
she
needs
needs to carry, yes.
stand up. Like संगीत outfit होता then I would be like I agree with you कि dance करना है, reception में खड़े रहना है. Like this is the only function where you have to make that impact also because you're walking down the aisle, everybody is waiting to see you.
True.
तो थोड़ा heavy इस function में चलेगा.
I'm
This has
glad-
my heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm glad they pulled me in. Otherwise मेरे सारे शादी की फोटो जैसे मुंह खुला ही होता मेरा. It's done.
Awesome.
It's looking very nice.
Yeah,
I
don't
love
think
it.
you had to say anything. Only like when I saw her inside, when I was getting her ready, only I saw her reaction, and I was like, "This
Look at her
will be the
smiling,
one."
yeah.
Yeah.
This is how
Too
I
pretty.
always imagined myself. So I think I love it. It's
This
like-
color is Mosam. Like I feel like it just screams you and your personality.
Yeah.
And beautiful. I'm so happy we found the outfit.
The minute I saw it, I knew it was the one. And as soon as I wore it, I was always so happy and kept smiling. When I actually wore this lehenga and I showed it to my parents and Parth, I saw the reaction. Parth was actually speechless and I could see how much he loved it. And even my parents rated it 10 out of 10, which was very, very good. And I felt so happy seeing them so happy. My big day was actually felt like dream come true. Feels like a Pinterest board come to life, and it has a good mix of traditional look and also who wants to be fashion forward. And now I've realized that this is what goes behind the big day.